Have you ever seen a bloom explode? Well, just keep on watching. This is Garrick Art Studio, and I'm back again with another video for you, my friend. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this bloom. 5, 4, 3, 2, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing another bloom today. Nothing out of the ordinary. However, if you've been following me, you know I can be a bit heavy-handed on the cell activator. So today I decided to do something about it. This is kind of an experiment, but it's good to show experiments and maybe it will spark some inspiration for someone else. But this is the exploding bloom. So what I kind of did was I did my regular bloom, but the center is exploding from the cell activator and the contrast between the top color, which you'll see, and the cell activator. Friends, don't forget to check out my new website, www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. Grab you a treat, a little art for your wall, and just show a little love. I would greatly appreciate it. This color combination is just popping. Like the lavender is very calm and smoothing, but that Payne's gray and the yellow, those three colors are just something very magical about it. And I just really love this color set. All right, so I'm gonna have to sacrifice some of my cells to create these mini blooms inside the larger bloom, but it'll be all worth it in the end. It's also amazing too because the white, when you do this color set, the white mixes in so well. If you get a little blanket, if you get a little pillow to show underneath. I just love the center of this bloom where everything just exploded. The gold or the yellow and the white cell activated interact so well, and it just creates like this building, budding, exploding flower. So adding the little mini blooms inside is just like just like amazing to me. And if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Turn those bell notifications on. It's free for you, and it does so much help for my channel. As always, family, I really appreciate you watching me today. Remember, treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, have an amazing, productive day. Peace.